I'm helping my mom decorate her bathroom. It's been a long time coming, and we're gonna update and modernize it just to kind of do like a reno-free modernization overall. I partnered with Sherwin Williams on this to showcase their color ID, and it's literally 8 different personality palettes, you might want to say. So we have like nurturer, free spirit, naturalist, trendsetter. Actually, I painted my walls inkwell and it's in free spirit, and I was like, am I free spirit? I don't know. And the whole idea behind it is it creates these little palettes, these personality palettes. Based on your personality, you'll like these colors, and they all kind of correspond and go together. So it just makes picking out paint a little bit easier. So I took this test for my mom, and I'm pretty sure she's a naturalist. But yeah, she's about to take it. And we'll see what she gets.
Imagine you just sat down, what should we watch together? We should watch...
Nothing. I prefer a book.
No. Let's say we'll watch a reality show.
Let's say that's all we watch.
No, it isn't.
Okay, so I'm nervous. What are you? I'm scared.
Why?
Well, I want to see. I took it for you, and I want to make sure I'm right.
Naturalist.
You seem like a naturalist.
Let's take it in and look.
All right, let's go look. I kind of like that one. And I like the gossamer veil too. This is part of our light fixture. Let's see what it looks like next to it.
Goes with any of them. I love the chrome. Which one do I like the best? This one. Yeah, I know this looks green, but it's a pearl gray, but it's looking green, yeah, kind of. Not green, but creamy. You know, like creamy gray green.
Not to be confused with the color creamy next to it.
Yeah, no. There's that. How pretty is that going to be?
Gorgeous.
It's beautiful with any of these. Really.
I know.
Gray. Look at it with gray. It's making me like the gray.
I told you they're both really good, I'm telling you. Do you find it easy to find colors you like that are just the right color?
I might have to go back a couple of times and look through them and bring them home and look and check it out and show them to everybody and look at them again and go back again and get more. But for the most part, I usually find something that I like. And you know, I mean, it could go in a woman's bathroom, but if you're doing a man's bathroom too, it'd be pretty, very
Oh yeah, it's pretty for anybody.
Yeah, I still like this one.
You're so lucky to have a daughter with such great taste.
I know.
Flip that upside down.
Oh, like that. No, like this, see? Oh my God.
See, but farmhousey, but still fancy.
Yes, darling. With this?
Yeah, see?
I love
Cute,
it.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So we've got a winner. Her name is Pearl Gray. You're nervous about the mirror?
I'm nervous about the mirror because it's like 10 feet long and like that high, and it's heavy, and I don't know what we're gonna do with it now that we took it down.
There's always a thrift store.
How are we gonna get it there?
I have been fantasizing about taking out that big mirror as long as I've seen it there. So the main thing here was updating some simple fixtures, and I think this is really key in sort of updating your bathroom without making it like renovated. I think we should go, now that we have a spare moment, in the bathroom.
Okay.
And see and like assess.
All right, let's go. Oh my gosh. It's hard to tell. It hasn't been painted yet. The mirror is gone. Ugh.
But look how pretty this mirror looks next to that color.
First of all, paint is like, changes everything. The color, if you choose the right color, and it makes it look pretty. It cleans it all up, it changes it. How would you describe your style? kind of simple and vintage mixed with new.
My mom has a bunch of cute little vintage things and vessels, so I was able to make like little mini bouquets around. You can't grow a plant with no light, but you can definitely have a bouquet. I wanted a mirror that was a little bit higher, and I like it. I thought it needed a little bit texture. I like that it has a frame on it. I like that it has wood. I think it brings in that natural element. I also did like a jute, like seagrass rug on the ground, just because again, like texture is really nice in there. There's no window, there's no natural light, so it's like bringing in any kind of natural elements where you can. Another thing is the artwork. So if you notice, both of them are vintage art pieces, but they're both flowers, which are really nice and really sweet, kind of just make it really nice in there. I love these light fixtures. I think they're reminiscent of kind of like farmhousey, but then the chrome is really pretty. It also pairs really nicely with the paint color. So she loves chrome and wanted to go chrome. So then I also did chrome faucets, which I love. They're just really simple, but they're like elevated. I think they just look really nice and kind of make everything look nice. So we didn't replace the entire console. We didn't go like crazy with everything, but just a few simple updates can really transform the space. And then a little trash receptacle, instead of having like a white plastic, again, like no texture, no personality, we'll do like little something. I like that it has a top on there though, so it's like you don't have to look at the trash. I love a little stool in the bathroom because I think it's really nice just to have another little space to sit that's not like the grand porcelain throne. And it also like serves a little tabletop, like if you're in the bathtub or taking a bath and you kind of set your stuff there. I like to set my laptop up and maybe have a little binge watch while I soak. I feel like that's the ultimate luxury. Some candles going, some flowers, living life. So sorry about the fan. It's attached to the lights, and if I turn it off, so yeah, sorry about the fan. So I'm about to let my mom in. I'm pretty nervous. She sort of saw the light. She saw some of it, but nothing's like pulled together. I grabbed some of her stuff and put it in here too, so just see what she has to say. Let's just say she's not my easiest client. Are you ready?
Gonna cover my eye.
Come in, and then we'll close the door behind you.
Oh, isn't it darling? It's so sweet. It's great and immaculate looking. I love this color.
It's pretty, right?
Yes.
Did you see I brought these pictures in?
I love it.
Do you?
I love the sink. I love these. I love those.
It's like the perfect color. It's almost sagey in here with all this stuff, but in a good way.
Did you paint this whole thing?
Yeah, all by myself.
Oh my gosh. While I was at work, I came home. Thank you. I love it.
What's your favorite part?
I love the new mirrors and I love that they're wood. It's a good accent for the paint and which goes well with the wood, which I like. I love how the color is so versatile. I can put like plants with it or flowers with it, you know, natural stuff like that. I love the trash can. It goes with the paint. It's all like a neutral, creamy feeling about it. I love that.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Sherwin Williams, for partnering with me on this. Take the color ID quiz and tell me guys what you got. Okay, I actually need to take it for myself too. It's really fun. I feel like it depends on my personality. I'm like, oh, I like that one better. No, I like that one better. Depends on the mood. So yeah. See you next time. Bye.
Hey.
Can you say something like, hey, Marlene here.
Hey. Hey, Marlene here. No.
You're too cool.
Okay. Hey, Marlene. No.
You sound like your dad talking to somebody else.
Hey, Marlene. Okay.
Oh
Hey.
my god. Did I tell you my dad joined Instagram and guess what his name is?
What?
Hey Ken M.
Oh my God. That is so creative. I can't believe it.
You should be Hey Marlene L. Oh my god.